Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Speak Persian Now. Today I'm going to teach you how to write Persian alphabet. So before we start the video, I want to ask you to pause the video here and go and come with your pen or pencil and a piece of paper. So pause the video here. Okay, now I'm going to start. As you might know or you might see here on your monitor, Persian, writing starts from the right side to the left side. So it is always from the right side. So it always starts from the right to the left. So unlike European languages that it is vice versa and you start from left to right. So guys, Persian language, Persian language, you need to start from right to left. Okay, the first letter here is called A. So how you are supposed to write it? You need to draw a straight line like this, and after that a curved symbol. So it might be a little hard at the beginning, so you need to just practice a little bit. So okay, it's not that straight. So you draw the line and then a curved symbol. So this is called A. And in Persian we call it a bakola. Okay, a bakola is as if this is the hat. So we call it a with the hat, a bakola. And we have got another a like this without this symbol above it, above the straight line. So for this word, I can give you a very nice word. So ob, ob, and with the other one, I can write this one here. In means this. Ob means water. In means this. So guys, I'm going to share this worksheet on my YouTube channel. So I remember I promised, but I couldn't do it for some reasons because it was really hard to prepare it in Persian. It is very easy to do it in English or other languages, like in French, because your handwriting is from left to right and everything is by default designed for you guys. Anyway, so one more time, you should write. So if this is the baseline here, the red line, so you need to write it below the baseline, the red line, and put this curved symbol above it. Okay, so hope you print this and practice, of course, for those of you who are really interested in Persian language. So the next letter is called B. So the next letter is called B. So please repeat. B, B, B. So next time I may prepare actually a video that I can show on my face using my beautiful mouth and teeth and of course tongue to show you how to pronounce these letters. Okay, let's do it another time. Now here for the next letter here we have got B sound. So how do you write it? Guys, look at here. So look at this arrow. So you have got a small curve. Sorry, it's a little hard. A small curve, then a straight line and another small curve and a dot. And a dot below it. So you start from right to left. So first of all, you just draw this curved short line, then you have got a horizontal line, and then again another curve. So it's gonna be easy or get easier for you by practice. So please be patient when you are doing this. The next word, in the same format is pe, but pe has got three dots as you can see. And by the way, don't forget, here we have got, okay, two lines. So you should keep it between the lines as you can see, the red line and the blue line. And of course, the dot comes, below it. The same for the letter pe. So let's repeat this one. Pe, pe, pe. As we can see, it is written just like the letter B, but this time we have got three dots. Pe. The next one is called te. So please repeat. Te, te. Again, as we did for B and pe, it follows the same format, a curved line, a short one from the right side, then a horizontal line, and then you go up. So we have got now te here, and the next word in this category is called se, just like the word se in English, like say, like syllabus. So se sound, and it is completely different from the letter th in Arabic. It is harder than Persian one to pronounce. So you follow the same format between the lines. We have got the red line and the blue line, so you need to write, okay, between the lines. So again, one more time, like this, 1, 2, 3 dots. Perfect. Now I want to go to the next part. So here we have got the shorter forms of these letters: B, P, T, and S. So here we have got B sound, the short form. It's so simple. So because they are connected to other words. So here we had the example for up, water. Now I want to write another one that, this connected one is used. Look, it's like, for example, in the word bia, come. So I need to write one more time. Look like this. So this is the short B, you see. Then another short form is connected, that is ye, we will learn later, and like this. So bia, come over here. So as you can see, again, from right to left between the lines, the red line and the blue line. So the format doesn't change for B, for P, for T, and for S letters. So the only difference is that you start with a short curved line, and then you have got a horizontal, let's say, line. Again, for this was for B, for P, again you have got this curved line a little bit, then horizontal line, and three dots. For T, the same, you have got this and this for T sound. And for the last one, we have got again this. Okay, you can just even you can use a horizontal, sorry, a vertical line. Vertical line. If doing the curved form is difficult, you can just use a vertical line. Just a vertical line, I think, makes your job much easier. For B, look for B. For P has got three dots, and for T that has got two dots. So I will leave it up to here because I don't want to make it much harder. I know that at the beginning, because I remember as a child how difficult it was to write these letters. I hope you may start practicing them on your paper, and I hope that you may be able to download the file from my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye bye.